Would you like to create easy floral doodles to decorate your journals? Are you looking to add hand-sketched floral details to personalize your bullet journals? Hi friends! I'm Ian DJ from the Archer and Olive Ambassador team and RavenFox13 on Instagram. Today, I'm excited to show you how to create beautiful floral doodles with just your pens. I've selected 5 simple floral designs and provided step-by-step instructions to help you draw them with ease. Plus, I've included a few sample spreads that showcase these florals, whether used individually or combined. So grab your pens and let's get creative with these fun doodles. The materials that we will be using today are your Archer and Olive notebook. You can also use the dated planner, Archer and Olive calligraphs, pencil and eraser, several fine liners, and gel pens. Remember, you can use my code RavenFox13 and get 10% off your orders at Archer and Olive website. So let's start with the easy flower number 1. Let's begin our first floral doodle by drawing a small circle. You can practice drawing circles in different sizes to make the process easier. Next, add the light guidelines to divide the circle in 4 equal parts by sketching an X and Y axis. To help shape the petals, lightly sketch a larger circle around the first one as a boundary for their size. You can erase this guide later. Now, start doodling curved lines from one mark to the next, forming 4 symmetrical petal shapes. Continue refining the petals until you're happy with the look. Always remember, there's no right and wrong whenever we doodle. For a variation, you can divide the circle into 8 sections instead of 4 and create a flower with 8 petals. Here is an example on how you can use it in your layout. Let's begin our second floral doodle by drawing a small circle. Next, add light guidelines to divide the circle into 4 equal parts. This time, do it as if you're doing an X mark. To help shape the petals, lightly sketch a larger circle around the first one as a boundary for their size. You can erase this guide later. Now, start doodling a longer petal shape with some scallop edges from one mark to the next, forming 4 symmetrical petal shapes. Continue refining the petals until you're happy with the look. For a variation, you can add a petal in between petals and create a flower with 8 petals. Here is an example on how you can use it in your layout. Easy flower number 3 would be a 5-petal flower. For this floral doodle, we'll be using 2 pens, one with a thick tip and the other with a fine tip. Let's start our third floral doodle by drawing a larger circle than the previous 2 using the thick tip pen. Next, use the fine tip pen to add scribble-like marks inside this circle. With the thick tip pen, doodle small circles around the medium-sized circle. Then, use the fine tip pen to draw lines connecting the small circles to the center circle. To shape the petals, lightly sketch a larger circle around the design as a guide for their size. Begin by drawing the first petal with a rounded shape, then draw 2 similar petals opposite the first one. Finally, add 2 more petals in between to complete the design. Here is an example on how you can use it in your layout. For the fourth easy flower, we will be doing an 8 or 16 petal flower. Let's start by creating the center of the flower. Draw a teardrop shape and repeat it in a circular pattern until it forms a small, rounded cluster. Expand the shape by adding scallop lines around it, continuing until you reach your desired size. Next, lightly sketch a larger circle around the center to guide the size of your petals. Draw the first elongated petal with scallop edges, similar to the shape of a cosmos flower. Create 4 petals in a cross-like arrangement, and then add another petal between each one until you have a total of 8 petals. For added variety, you can continue adding petals in between to create a fuller 16-petal design. Here is an example on how you can use it in your layout. For easy flower number 5, let's begin by creating the center of the flower. Using the fine tip pen, draw a teardrop shape and repeat it in a circular pattern to form a small round cluster. Next, expand the design by adding scallop lines around the center, continuing until you reach your desired size. For this step, switch to the thick tip pen and keep adding scallop lines to build up the center. Think of the middle of a sunflower for inspiration. Lightly sketch a larger circle around the center to guide the size of your petals. Then draw light guidelines by sketching an X and Y axis to divide the circle into 4 equal parts. Continue dividing the sections until you have 16 equal parts. Finally, add round petals with stylized edges, filling each section one by one until your flower has 16 or more petals. Here is an example on how you can use it in your layout. Lastly, let's add some leaves. Begin by drawing a line to serve as the center of a leaf. Next, add a curved shape extending from one end of the line to the other. Experiment with different curves and level of symmetry to create a variety of leaf shapes. For vines or stems with multiple leaves, always sketch a light guideline first. This helps keep the design flowing naturally and looking more organic. I've created a printable for you to practice all 5 floral doodles featured in this vlog. Be sure to print the second page too, where you can practice different techniques for adding depth to your floral designs. Use your calligraph to add colors to the flowers, experimenting with methods like block coloring, stippling, flicking, or contouring with different line styles. I hope these easy floral doodle ideas have sparked your creativity. Try experimenting with them in your new Archer and Olive notebooks. I'd love to see your journal spreads featuring these organic blooms. Feel free to share your creations. For even more inspiration, follow me on social media. Just search for Raven Fox on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. If you create a page or two using the ideas I've shared here, don't forget to tag me and Archer and Olive. Add these hashtags, hashtag AOShare and hashtag Archer and Olive, so the community can easily find your post. So, let's grab more notebooks to fill and share this vlog with your friends. Remember, you can use my code RavenFox13 for 10% off your orders at the Archer and Olive website. Stay inspired and doodle those worries away. This is Ian DJ, Raven Fox 13. Ciao!